Thank you for watching our video. Please train your parrots to click the like button and to subscribe. Thank you.
Okay, so we wanted to do a quick video and show you guys what we feed our parrots. Right now we have 21 parrots. That includes the 2 babies that we've been hand feeding and ready to go to their new home towards the end of the month. We prepare a very large batch of vegetables to feed all of our parrots, and they are fed every morning as soon as we wake up without fail. We never miss a day. Gordon, give it to me. Give it to me, baby. Give it to me. That's mine. Give it to me. Oh. Okay. Give it to me. Oh, I got it. This is Caesar and Kool-Aid. Kool-Aid is enjoying his banana as well. We purchased him from a pet store, and he has just gotten so big and gotten all of his feathers back, and he seems to be a very happy bird. Huh, Kool-Aid? Yep. So in the base salad, we use canned corn, peas unsalted, garbanzo beans. We use celery, grapes, strawberries. We cut up the baby oranges, broccoli slaw. You can get that in the bag. It's very easy to put in. And then we chop the bell peppers, baby sweet peppers, red, orange, yellow. We use cucumber, apples, and purple cabbage for the base. And then things that we can add in to keep it interesting for them would include fresh broccoli, white rice. That's a good source of carbohydrates. We do the colored garden rotini salad, or I'm sorry, garden rotini pasta mix, also good for carbohydrates. We will add different types of melon, cantaloupe, and honeydew. Sweet potatoes, we peel them, we cube them, boil them, get them semi-soft, and then put those in as well. You could use regular russet potatoes, gold potatoes, whatever you prefer. And I've also added in some jalapeno because our parrots, any parrot, does not have heat receptors, so it's perfectly safe and it will not burn their mouths. So the treats that we like to give to our parrots, my husband would disagree with the first one, chicken. We like to give them scrambled eggs. Grapes is real quick and easy to get out of the fridge and give to them when they're wanting. Different fruits and vegetables. If you're not sure what is safe for the bird, please just Google it and make sure. There's a lot of foods that are very harmful for your parrot. Garlic, onions, tomatoes, just a couple to mention right off the bat. Avocados, definitely do not give those to your parrots. We give them nuts and seeds, bananas for breakfast. We'll give them sunflower seeds as a treat. Peanut butter, I just put it on a spoon and give it to them. Sometimes I'll just put the spoon right on the top of their cage and they will go to town. Cottage cheese, and also their all-time favorite Munster cheese. So the parrots are lactose intolerant. You will notice a difference in their bowel movements. They will be a little softer, a little more runny, but it's not harmful for your parrot, and they absolutely go crazy for it. So that's just a few things that we give to them. I do want to mention, because it is expensive, look for sales at the grocery store. Stock up on the things that you can. Some items you can freeze and thaw out when you're ready for it. Other items you cannot freeze, so you'll need to rotate and use them so they don't go bad. So the overall cost in feeding our parrots, 21 parrots in total. We do about $100 per month in our fresh fruits and vegetables, and then we do $250 to $300 a month on average for the dry food. Our parrots are fed in the morning for breakfast, and then again in the evening. Those are the 2 times during the day that they eat out in the wild. We appreciate any support that you could give. Please like the video, please subscribe.